Okay, you guys on the channel before you leave a like, comment down below and subscribe. So you guys can tell FRC, I think they call it FRC, First Republic Bank, it basically fall. Okay, it fall because of you guys can tell the earnings report was not good. Okay, you guys can tell with the this is basically a big indication that a recession is coming on. Okay, most people are getting the money out. The time you start seeing people taking the money out, the big people that have money, it's basically a big indication that they longer trust the bank. Okay, and recession is coming up right now. They say it is brutal day on Wall Street for the First Republic Bank as investors sell off shares as fast as they can in a light of financial discretion. Like as fast as they can. This is funny. And on Monday, the First Republic Bank releases earnings report for the first 3 months of the year, and those earnings stunned Wall Street. The California-based lender sales lost more than 40% of its deposit in March. Okay, let me tell you guys how bank works. Okay, let me show you guys how bank works. So, bank itself make the money by what? People putting money in there. Okay, bank make money from people. Okay, so if I go there and invest $10, right? It take $5 or $7 and invest and give it to someone else as a loan and make profit. That's how bank itself make money. Okay, they make money from people investing in basically leaving the money in the bank. Okay, that's how they make money. So the problem in the past few months now that's actually causing most of the banks to fall is like with everything going on, with inflation going on, people no longer trust the bank. People are taking the money out. Okay, and think about it, when people are taking money out now, and let me my bad. Let me recount it. Okay, bank make money by loans, right? They make money by you put your money and take out your money and then give it to someone else, right? And then buy car. Okay, you guys can tell anytime you go and buy a car, you gotta take a loan from the bank. Okay, and you guys can tell with bank, no one is buying bank. People no longer buying cars. Okay, because of the high interest rate. Or when it comes to mortgages, okay, bank make money through what? Mortgages, by giving out loans for 6 to 7 years. It just depends. Okay, the purchase of a homes is going down. Okay, what else? People inflation is causing a lot of banks to go crazy, not doing good. Okay, and yeah, the amount of money they used to make, and then the people that actually have a lot of money they used to buy, people no longer trust in the bank. Okay, when I think that will actually cause the Silicon Valley Bank to actually crash. It actually crashed because the bank loaned a lot of money to a lot of people. You guys can tell, all you see is just a number. Anytime you open a bank account, all you see is just a number. You haven't actually see it's not real money. Okay, all it's just fake money created. People don't understand. Banking system is just fake money created and circulating. That's what basically banking itself is. Okay, this is what happened with Silicon Valley Bank. That's gonna happen with FRC. Okay, Silicon Valley crashed because the bank gave out a lot of loans. People not paying. People defaulting on the loans. Their car payment, all this repossession is going up and causing people to not pay any loans. Now, how's the bank making money? Okay, the problem is like the bank like Silicon Valley Bank went back almost crazy because someone decided to withdraw more than what the bank have. Okay, that's the same thing happening with First Republic Bank. Anytime you see a bank crashing because someone took out a lot of money, okay, that's the only reason why it actually fall. Okay, you guys can tell some California bank lender lost. Remember, they're lenders. Most banks are lenders. Okay, most banks make the money from lending money. Okay, said they lost money 40% of the deposit in March as customer moved billions of dollars elsewhere. most of the old school don't keep their money in the bank no more. And CFO Neil Holland called it deposit outflow unprecedented. It always happens anytime you see a collapse of the economy. You start seeing people move their money out. Okay, because let me tell you, cash is valuable. Okay, it's kind of hard for you to go from, like, most people selling the stocks from the stock, put it in the bank, and then get out the money and just wait for the market to drop and then reinvest it again. Okay, that's what they usually do every time the market crashes. That's what usually happens every time. Okay, in the statement, credit crews all the same. Analyst Susan Kadzi said that they have seriously impaired the earnings of the First Republic Bank. Yeah, at one point the trading market share dropped $5. Today dropped a total of not $8. They drop a total of $2, which is not that bad. Okay, it's not that bad. It is not that bad. Okay, which is not that bad for the stock itself. So It used to be worth. Let me see how much this stock used to be worth. The stock used to be worth over like a lot, 151, on over 151 million. What's 151 million? Almost $151, and now it's way less than that. Let me go back. That's the highest was like 100, almost $200. Okay, my bad. And now the stock is at that. Okay, it's because it's not gonna go up bad. The only safe bet is for you to buy and hopefully the government will always bail them out. Okay, the government is probably gonna bail them out. They're gonna cause the stock to go up back again. But right now, most banks are gonna get bailed out. But most people, when they get big bailout, most people go bankrupt. On the midst of getting bankrupt, the government always come in to help them. That's what usually happen every single time. So it's gonna drop more than this because the earnings are not doing good. Most people are getting the money out. It's a little big indication. So I hope you guys should leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. I really appreciate all the support, man. And I will try to upload it every single day as much as I can. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Have a nice day.